What's up, guys? Today we got a video I want to show you. We're going to put the Matco Maximus 3.0 to the test. We got a 2015 Kenworth T880 with an Eaton automatic transmission in it that we just put a new clutch in. So let's put this bad boy to use and see how it works. Y'all come on. Alright guys, you can see T880, we just got through putting a brand new clutch in this bad boy. So we're going to hook the Maximus 3.0 up by Matco and see if it's going to have anything for our transmission. So while Wooly Wally is going to show you what to do, and hopefully we can figure it out.
And with this thing load, yeah, Wally does need a bath.
Wally needs a bath. I think we all need a bath. We'll be looking like some grease monkeys today.
What the deuce? How do you get back?
Hit that Maximus button at the top.
Oh, I must have clicked something else. Run diagnostics. Wasn't it demo?
Go to the top and up there where it says HD.
Ah.
And then it should have an Eaton. Wally actually has to read today. I'm proud of him. He found it. Let's hit OK.
Where was it? Special functions. Where is it? ECA service. Clutch positioning.
Clear clutch data.
Clear clutch data first. Clear clutch data. That pretty much tells it that we just put a brand new clutch in. Now, what we want to do, go back, request clutch adjustment. Says,
make sure it's in neutral, parking brake set, and idling.
Alright. And we got neutral, parking brake is set, and she's been idling. Idling. Press OK. Request clutch adjustment.
Then it'll take a minute. I don't know if the camera picked it up or not, but you can hear the transmission clunking in and out. Putting it in gear and out of gear. Alright, it says the clutch adjustment was successful. Turn the ignition off and click OK. Well, there's no OK. There's a yes and a feedback. So I'm going to say yes means OK. There we go. Request clutch adjustment was successful. Awesome. Let's see what all code she's got in her. I guarantee it's got some in her.
This one's I'll just do Kenworth, see if he'll do it.
Do it faster than
trying to look for pack
full search. You don't need one. if it don't matter what you're looking at, it's all the same order.
Power loss, coolant data. Well, that was because the transmission out, we had to drain the coolant. Now that's one that we cannot clear. Wow, intercoolant efficiency too low. After treatment codes. Wow. Gotta love PACCAR. Another one you can't clear. Let's see. Should be one. Yeah, it's all the same codes. Just next thing.
All right, let's see if it'll clear them out.
First click, yes.
I'm trying to look at it through my phone. Successfully cleared. All right, guys. So there you see that the Maximus 3.0 by Matco will take care of your clutch in your Eaton transmission.
Heavy duty.
Heavy duty.
Heavy duty needs.
Super heavy duty.
I have a lot of heavy duty needs.
Don't nobody care about that. Alright guys, so y'all see that the Maximus 3.0 by Matco will take care of your clutch adjustment and your Eaton heavy duty transmission. So there you go guys. Like always, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button right there, because why, Wally?
Totally free and it'll never cost you a dime.
Tell them what they got to do now.
Subscribe, please.
Go back to work. Tell them to go back to work.
Do both. Go back to work.